Outstanding.
Welcome again to another video. It's your boy Eldorado and Ting. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification button, and visit the website for a bunch of goodies. So within this video, me go talk about venture off into some different things, like some topics where essential to doing the music on a whole. And for this particular video, me just saw 6 things artists should have, and in a bit we go emphasize on some of these basic things. These things are really basic, but artists should have. So I don't know, tutorial video or anything like that. It's just some stuff where me venture off on and put a little bit more insight in the music, because there's a lot of, I have over 2,000 almost 3,000 subscribers of the time of this recording, and a lot of them are musicians, artists, be it that involved in our music, and to tell you the honest truth, the information is there, but it is all over the place, and a lot of people on this channel can't really say there are things they are missing, or there are things that they know. But at the end of the day, same way, I'm going to do this for the greater good at who no know, and who want to know, and who think they know and don't know, just like the Barry G something there. So enough with the theatrics. The first thing on my list that artists should have going 2020 and 2021 of this recording is social media accounts. Social media accounts play a vital role in a marketing, promotion, and may venture off in those 2 things in other videos that I go upload. So please do subscribe and watch out for the video them, because other than tutorial now, me just talk about some stuff in the music industry where you can use to help within the music and have knowledge of things and can share it beyond just watching this video. So why I say social media? Social media may play a major role in the release of music, etc., promotion wise, especially like Instagram. It is a good app for do your marketing. Honestly, it's a good app for do marketing, and tell people say your music are released on platforms, because the thing with Instagram is it is easy to have people see the work that you have put out, and like freestyle and so forth. Like then as we say, go touch upon certain promotion and stuff like that in terms of marketing your music and promoting it, etc. So being as doing this video, ideas that come to my head same way. But beyond that same way, the number of social media accounts you really need, it is enormous. But for the main ones, you can look into Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, me start over again. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, TikTok, and Snapchat. That's basically about 6. You need these platforms where you can use to share your material, because in a case where an artist is financially challenging in pushing the music, I will touch on that within another video about promoting your music, spending money and so forth like that. But for this particular video, those 6 names that I mentioned, they are essential in promoting your music. And why I say them really essential? Because everybody on those platforms, you have influencers who, use your material, or you can have them use your material, for get a buzz going and so forth like that. So you can use, that for really engage and get more audience and get them to follow you and so forth, so forth. Now, the second thing an artist should have is plans to market your songs. Yes, if you have a plan to market your song, you can't just get up and say, all right, me I go put out a song and I hit that, left it out there for float. You now go get a break in the music industry like that, just fling a song out upon people and expect, all right, everybody are gonna run with it. You must have a plan how you really go market your music and how you're gonna share it. As we say, I'm gonna touch on one other video, depends on how the reaction I get from this video. Regardless, I'm gonna touch into more of those topics and other videos. So please do stay tuned for that. So why you have to have a market plan for market a song? Because at the end of the day, remember saying you're alone as artists that are out there trying to get a break in the music, and there are many other artists that are out there, trying for years, to get a break in the music industry. And one of the key things, even artists that are out there for years, one of the things, some of them are missing. They are afraid to, market themselves as an artist, or afraid to promote themselves certain way. But honestly, without self-promotion or paid promotion, it go hard if you get a break. Even if a big artist or an established artist is helping you, you still have to have a plan, same way of how you go market your song. Because even an established artist will give you a highlight, but at the end of the day, same way, them have for them thing to do, and you just have to just try to use that strength the way you get, and really push your music. So what if it's a case where you don't get that? You have different ways and means of promoting your song, like using social media, because everyone is on social media. So that's why I put that in at the first of this video. So the second thing, as we say, you must always have a plan how you go market each song, because each song tell a story about you, or what you are trying to portray in the song, whatever the case may be, or what type of songs you might do. Every story go different. You're not gonna sing the same song and 10 different rhythm and put it out and expect it to work. So every song that you do and every song where you put out, at the end of the day, same, you still have to have a plan how you go market your song. Now, the third thing that an artist should have is a bio or a biography in longer terms. This is important because at the end of the day, they want to have an idea, where the artist come from, what type of music the artist do, and a little bit of stuff about you. So you can really get somebody to write like a journalist, or you can Google it, how to write a biography about yourself. It can be short, it have to be this gigantic, enormous stuff, because at the end of the day, you're going to want, if you put it on your socials, especially Facebook, a short bio of yourself to all these media platform, or people who want to have a basic idea of you. Now, moving on from that, the fourth thing that artists should have is a PRO, performance rights organization, are to be registered with a PRO. All right, pertaining to the royalties of your song, in which we go touch upon that, in another video. Pertaining to the royalties of your song, it is essential that you register with a PRO and your songs are being registered before they are put out. In cases some people wait after, I know in cases that I have wait until after the release of the songs I put it out, but it is best that you do it before, should in case you're running any legal issues in the future. But it is best that you put it out before, registered with a PRO, before your actual songs actually goes live. The fifth thing on this list is a publisher. Yes, a publisher. Now, a publisher acts like a PRO, but they play a different and vital role towards the music. Now, there are basic scenarios pertaining to dancehall music and reggae music where publisher is concerned. Say, for instance, I work with somebody in inexperienced a certain aspect of the music, and don't registered with a PRO. What you can do, is use the publisher to collect your shares of the royalties that, been legally owed to you of a particular song, beat, or whatever the case may be, on a song. In regards to that, to what you can do, pretend, alright. In a situation like you work with an unregistered artist, because that often happens, that often happens like when you're young in the industry and so forth like that, that often happens. But in a case where it does happen, what you can do, you're working with an unregistered producer, beat maker, artist, what you can do is just use the publisher to just collect your share. What the publisher go do is send information to your PRO CMA and collect for your share, right? So if it's 50-50, say you're going to send off for 50 alone. So I just some basic information them go ask you, and them just send off information. In essence to that also, remember the PRO only collects performance royalties. So you definitely need a publisher to collect the other royalties that are being owed to you that the distributor nor the PRO are collecting. So I have to emphasize more on this publishing thing to a certain extent in another video. There are so many things really have to go over in a separate video. Now, the sixth thing that you need is a team. Yes, you really need a team when going forward in music, because a team is essential to do the things for you that you're not supposed to do. But multitasking as an artist and stretching yourself thin, especially when you're underground or upcoming, it can really take a toll on the artist or on you yourself. So having a team, it plays a vital role, because in a team, say a certain man go do this, or a certain woman go do that, or whatever the case may be. You have to make sure your team is solid and in supportive and can give supporting decision. You don't really want everybody in your team to just tell you yes. You don't want a yes man team, because a yes man team you lead it on the wrong path, and when you buck a roadblock there, them just run leave you. So you definitely need a team who understands you and give you opinions, because what anyone says to you is practically your opinion if it's not a thing that them say, all right, you have to do it the way you. So you know, when you speak with the team and say, all right, this is what I'm going to do, you know, somebody might have a different perspective of how it can be done, even though, you know, at the same goal, you definitely can have a different perspective, and probably, you know, some aspect of what the team players say to you, it might make sense and the other no might make sense. So you can use that to fine tune where you say you're going to pertaining to, you know, the music and you going forward in the music and so forth like that. So it does play, a team does play a vital role, especially with promotion, like going on the road, giving away CDs, or going at a club or a small party to get your music played, you know, because within a team, when people see you your team or role, them give you a higher level of respect as an artist. Because, so for instance, you go out on party to promote your music, you know, them see you alone, them take you for joke, because they must say, you know, really have your team with you, or your team look weak and it just looks shaky how you are roll, or you alone a role in which that can be good, but when you come out to promotion, you know, so you want to have a team for do road with you during the promotion stages of any song that you say you're going to do. You could have spent 3 months to promote one song. You really need a team with you, you know, there to help you promote the song. I see it. So there are things within a team where I'm going to touch upon another video. But just to close this off, you know, one of my first video like this one, me really touch upon some aspect of, you know, artists and beat makers and producers. I think more really want to do some more video, talk about some stuff, so the people can really listen into certain things, because, you know, there's a lot of information out there that I'm willing to share, because I've been on so many phone calls, you know, repeating the same things and so forth like that. So I want to do some videos like these where we can really get a bunch of informations out there, where, you know, it's essential to building who you are as an individual and building your brand as an artist, producer, or beat maker. So this is a video about 6 things artists should have, and I hope me not bore you to death. So until our next video again, you know, leave some comments below, subscribe if you haven't already, and please do like it if you do like the content, or if we touch upon some topics where you're really interested, or you want to emphasize more about it, in which I'm going to emphasize on some things and some things pertaining to Caribbean music overall in this particular video. I'm not gonna say categorize as Caribbean music, because there are Africans from Ghana that, you know, link me pertaining to dancehall music. So I know that this channel is reaching far and further, but, you know, what we go try to do is have some conversation with some people that are over in Africa, so you can get a better insight of like market share within the whole realms of dancehall, reggae, afro music, etc. So until next time, it's about Eldorado. Peace out.